Okay, today we're gonna cover how to compile Premake using Visual Studio on Windows. First, we're gonna go to the GitHub. We're gonna pull the latest code. We're gonna just go ahead and download it. We're gonna extract it. Open the contents. Now this is where we're gonna do all the work. What you need is a special type of command prompt or a special terminal. It's the one that's provided when you install Visual Studio. Using that bash, you can compile Premake pretty easily using InMake. First, you're going to want to copy this. Click on the Windows logo, type in x64. You'll find the native tools command prompt for Visual Studio 2022. Or if you're using 2019 or whatever, it should find one for your version. You can also do x86, but I recommend doing x64 as all systems use 64 nowadays anyway. Okay, once you open that, you're going to want to make sure that you're in the correct directory. You're going to use CD for that. Then you can right click to paste the path that you've already copied. Go ahead and hit enter. Now you see that we're in the correct place. You type in the command that they give you here on the GitHub in the build text. For Windows, InMake -F bootstrap.mak for Windows. That's what you do right here. Copy. Remember, right click or paste. Hit enter. Let it do its thing. Once it finishes, oh, and of course, make sure when you have Visual Studio installed, you got the platform tool sets required for this, the V whatever they are. Right now they're 143. All right, boom, completed. Once you see this here, now you have the solution files that you need to build the Premake binary. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Going back into our Premake folder, into the build folder. Oop. Did I have that right? Yeah, open that up into the bootstrap. Keep searching. Premake5 solution is here. Got Visual Studio installed. You should now be able to just open this up. Rebuild. Oh, it looks like it rebuilt all of those. So I guess we are probably already built it. That step right there might have been extra. I think it was already generated. Oh, here we go. Boom, here it is. Okay, now you have Premake. Sorry, guys. Guess I should have figured out where it would actually output before I started the video, but I was trying to do it fresh so that you can see what it's like starting with nothing. Pretty simple. There's your Premake executable. You don't need anything else with it, just this executable inside whatever directory you want to use it. Alright, that's it.